In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through enabling the album lock feature in the Samsung Gallery app. If you value your privacy and want to protect certain albums on your Samsung device, this functionality is perfect for you. The Samsung Gallery app is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your photos. It allows you to create albums to categorize and access your pictures easily. However, some albums may contain sensitive or private content that you'd prefer to keep secure from prying eyes. You might have noticed that the option to lock album is not readily visible in the interface. The process of enabling album lock involves accessing the Hidden Gallery Labs feature, which unlocks experimental functionalities, including album entry locks. Now, access the settings menu by clicking on the hamburger menu located at the bottom right corner of the app's interface. The three horizontal lines represent this menu, offering various options to customize your Gallery app experience. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find About Gallery. Tapping on this section reveals information about the app, including its version number. The exciting part comes when you tap multiple times on the version number, enabling Gallery Labs. You'll see a prompt confirming that Gallery Labs is enabled. Now, return to the settings menu and continue scrolling until you spot Gallery Labs listed among the options. By tapping on it, you unveil a selection of exclusive features, including album entry locks. Next, you'll see a toggle switch next to album entry locks. If it's currently off, simply slide it to the on position. Before proceeding, you may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions related to album lock. This step ensures that you fully understand the implications and safeguards associated with using this security feature. Once you've accepted the terms and toggled on album entry locks, the album lock feature is activated. However, to apply the changes and make album lock fully functional, it's crucial to restart your Samsung device. The restart ensures a seamless activation of the album lock feature, providing you with the desired security. After your device has restarted, open the Gallery app once more, navigate to the album you wish to protect, and tap on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the album's interface. Voila! You now find the long-awaited option to lock the folder. The album lock feature lets you choose your preferred security method, either your fingerprint or screen lock password. Select the one that aligns with your preferences and proceed confidently, knowing that your private photos are now well guarded from unauthorized access. Keep in mind that this method is available for Samsung users utilizing at least One UI 5.1 or newer on their devices. Don't hesitate to share this tutorial with your friends and family, helping them enhance their privacy settings as well. If you enjoy content like this one, feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave any questions or comments below the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.